Have you ever thought about moving abroad but immediately dismissed the idea because you don't have a degree, skill, or even the finances to make it happen? Well, guess what? You might want to stick around because this video is crafted especially for you. Yes, even if you think it's impossible. We are diving deep into practical, proven ways to move abroad without a degree, without being a tech survey, and even without breaking the bank. Okay? Many people believe there are only three paths to moving abroad. That is having money, having a skill, or having a degree. But what if you have none of these? That's where this video becomes your game changer. Today's video, I'll show you how to learn remote skills, find remote jobs, and apply for a visa that could get you out in as little as 48 hours. Yes, so stick around, okay? Now, let's start with remote skill. This is the foundation of your journey. These are skills that allow you to work for companies around the world from anywhere. Okay, I'll give you a few ones there that are high in demand, which are customer support, digital marketing, virtual assistants, graphic design, writing and editing, sales and lead generation, compliance and operations, tech skills like web development, cybersecurity, and UI and UX design. You don't need to be a pro today, but you can start learning step by step. Platforms like Cloud Booster on Instagram can give you a guide towards relevant tech skills. And as well, you can Google Data Entry Academy and you can go for that school. Okay. Once you got a skill, the next step is landing a remote job. These are the 10 top websites to find legit opportunities that I know, okay? Indeed.co.uk, weworkremotely.com, remote.co, workingnomads.co, landingjobs, outsourcely.com, jobsexpresso.co, hire.com, flexjobs.com, angel.co is now called well found, okay, and remotive.io. These sites post jobs daily in various fields from tech to customer services and more. Make sure your resume is tailored and skills clearly presented. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, now that I've gotten the remote job, now what next? Yes, it's time for you to travel legally through a digital nomad visa. Yes. So over 40 countries now offer digital nomad visa that allow remote workers to live abroad temporarily. Okay, so I've given you a few ones, a few countries that have those visas and they are popular. The first one is Mauritius. You can get your visa in 48 hours. And the minimum income for this is that you must be earning at least $1,500 from your remote job, okay, in a month. Second one is Colombia. Minimum income is $750 per month. The third one is Greece, and the income requirement is $1,000 per month. Okay, and Portugal is also known for flexible income proof, okay, and easy visa switches, okay. So you can choose Portugal if you want. Then other ones that offer similar programs is Spain, Italy, UAE, Brasilia, Malta, and Argentina. In all of these countries, you need the following proof: remote employment, monthly income, accommodation booking, return flight or travel plan, okay? So after having all of this, let's highlight two of the most attractive options. That's your best bet, okay? If you want to jackpot immediately. Portugal. They are known for being visa friendly with the D7 visa, easy to transition into longer term residency, okay. And the next one is Mauritius, okay. They offer a super fast approval process, just 48 hours if you meet the income criteria. This is so perfect for anyone looking to relocate quickly, okay. So here is your simple action plan to move abroad without a degree. You know, in this channel, I always ensure that I give you guys step by step process on how to go about it, okay. So the first one is step one: pick a remote skill, okay. So the one that you feel that you can learn quickly. Start small and build as you go. Then next step, you apply for remote jobs using the platforms that I have shared. Okay. Step 3, once you land a job, apply for a digital nomad visa. Okay, that will be the criteria of the visa you'll be going for. Okay. And let me also encourage you all that it's not about overnight success. It's about taking real steps with the right strategy, okay? And in this channel, we give you guys legit and verified opportunity for you to migrate abroad, okay? So now, you don't need to be rich or highly educated to move abroad. All you need is the right information, a plan, and the will to take action. And this is where we have UK News with Peace, always dishing out value, giving you guys informative content regarding moving abroad, especially moving to the UK. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so I get to know when I post new videos regarding sponsorships, scholarships, study abroad, any kind of visa type that is latest is always shared in this channel. You don't want to miss it, okay? Then like this video so that YouTube can share this video to those who are interested in moving to the UK, okay? And so share this video so that somebody else who wants to start their own journey can see it and also start, okay? And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.